Hello, friends. You are welcome to another section, or another tutorial section of the Microsoft Word. You are going to look at how to insert, um, how to draw shapes in the Microsoft Word. So before we continue, under the tab we have what we call insert. So we just click on the insert. So when you click on the insert, we have various groups under the insert. We have the pages, the tables group, the illustrations group, add in group, media, links, comments, header and footer, text, and the symbols. These are the various groups that we can find under the insert tab. Now we are only interested in a specific group, so that group is the illustrations. So under the illustration groups, we have what we call the shapes. So we just click on we have an arrow pointing down. That's a drop down arrow beside the shapes. So you just click on that. Now after clicking on that, there will be a list of what the shapes. So with that, these shapes also have been categorized. We have the recently used shapes. That's the shapes the user have been using frequently. Then we have the rectangles. That's where you can get the rectangle shape, the rounded rectangle, and the corner snip and the rest. The corner snip and the rest. And we have the basic shapes. So with the basic shapes, we can have text box. Yeah, text box is also a shape. We have the oval, and we have a lot. We have a lot. So the moment you just hover your mouse on it, this thing will just show the name of the object will just pop up. So we have rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equations, shape, stars, and banners. Then we have the callouts. Yeah, we have the callouts. Then we can also we can also have a drawing canvas from it. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a few of them, then look at how they behave. We're just gonna draw some few of them to know how exactly they behave. So without wasting much time, I will be dealing with the rectangles, the oval, and the triangle. Then later I will just add the arc and the curves. For the rest, I think we can navigate through whilst we finish with the tutorial set. So the first time, let me start with the line. So when you want to draw a line, you just click on that. So when you just click on that, the line tool will just be activated. And someone will ask, how would I know that the line tool has been activated? You will just know or notice that when the cursor turns to a plus sign, like how you see on the screen. Now, when you click on that, you can draw any line, any straight line. Yeah. But if you want to draw a straight vertical or a straight horizontal line, this is what you have to take note. For you to draw a straight vertical or a straight horizontal line, you have to press on the shift key on the keyboard. So you have to press and hold. Let me say it like that. You press and hold the shift key on the keyboard. Then you drag to draw your horizontal to draw your straight horizontal or straight vertical line. So now let's have a try on the straight horizontal line. So just press on the shift, just press and hold. That means when you press on the shift, you will not remove your hands until your line is finished drawing. You finish drawing your line. So you just press it. You press and hold the shift key. Then you drag. You see. So when you press that, you see I'm getting what? A straight horizontal. Then you remove your hand from the mouse before you remove your hand from the shift, so that you get the straight. So that is the clue. After drawing that, you have to remove your hands from the mouse before you remove your hands from the shift. Else, you will get a slant line, a line that is not straight. Okay. So the moment you draw the line, you will get another tab for that line too that will insert this tab will be format. The format. This enables you to edit your shape drawn. So you can change the color here. So you can change the color. You can change the appearance. You have the theme and the preset. You can be changing it. So when we change the black, you see. When we take the blue, when we take the other colors, we all can see what is happening. Alright, you all can see what is happening. Then we can also change the shape outline here. So you can change the width. Can change the width. Can change the width here. You can also change the dashes. If you want it to be in the dashes, yeah, you can change it. So assuming for this one, assume you want it to be in a short dashes form. You just click on dashes. You select the appropriate dash you want. You see, select the appropriate dash you want. You all can see that we are having our dashes, right? So you can choose the appropriate dash you want. Alright. You can also insert an arrow for it. Assuming you want an arrow for data, you can change it. I believe you all can see what is happening. Yeah. You can have an arrow for that line drawn. So this for the line. Let's delete and insert another one. Go to the shapes. This one too, the same thing. It follows the same approaches, the same approach as in the first line. Then for rectangle, you just click on it. You just drag. Yeah. For rectangle, you just drag to get the rectangle. But if you want if you want to draw a circle, you have to press the shift. Yeah, if you want a square. Yeah, if you want a square. I believe you all know what a square is. It has equal sizes. The length equal and the height also equal. So you can see we are having what a square. This is just a square. You can see all the sizes are equal. But if you want to draw a rectangle, because for rectangle, we know the property of a rectangle to be that it have two opposite sides equal. So for rectangle, just remove your hands from the shift. You see, you can see that this is rectangle because we have two opposite sides equal. Okay, so that is how the rectangle also looks like. Then we have also the oval. Now the oval, if you want to draw any elliptical shapes, you can use it. This or ellipse. So what you can use it to draw. If you want to draw an egg, you can use it to draw it. Yeah, you can use it to draw it. Alright. But what if you want to draw a circle? Now, if you want to draw a circle, the same approach as in the others, you just click on the oval, then press and hold the shift. Then you draw it to get a nice circle. Now, this is what the trick is. You can see the shape that we have been drawing. We are having what? Like it is having a third color. but we don't want the filled color, we just want the outline color. So if you want the only outline color, we just go to shape fill. Now by default the fill is this color, so I'll check no fill so that inside there will be no color. Then you can just change the outline to be black. Yeah, then you get your nice shape. You can get your nice shapes here. So I think you can. I think we all can do that. All right. So we have to be trying whilst we are watching. Okay. Now let's move on to other ones. So for this, we can just duplicate. Can just copy and paste, right? You copy and paste. You see. So with this, we can draw what? With this, you can draw a nice. What do you call it? In mask, right? What do you call it? Yeah, a set problem. For a set problem, we have been using something like this, so we can use it to draw a set problem. So let me add a rectangle to, and let's see what will happen. You can just get a rectangle, then draw the rectangle to cover both circles, right? Like this. Now you can see the rectangle is having an inside fill. So just go to save fill, no fill, then change the outline to be black. Sorry, it's the outline rather. You change the outline to be black, and that's all. That's all. Alright, so this is how you what insert what shapes. Alright, so let's move on to the next two aspects. Now we have what we call the curve, the arc. This arc enables you to draw some curve, yeah, some curves. So this is how it is. So you can draw a curve. Can use it to draw a nice curve. You can also use it to draw, yeah, it is a nice curve. So it is used for drawing what? Curves. Yeah. So you all can see that here. Then we have also the curves, right? The curves too. It also uses it's also used for what? The drawing of what curves. But this one is different from what the first one that we use. So this one, if you want to draw the curve, you just click on the very first place you want to start. For example, maybe I want to draw a sinusoidal curve. You just click on here, then move it to where you want to turn the curve. So you just move it to that place. Then you click on that place once. That means you left click. Then you turn it. So this is where I want to turn the curve again. Then I right click once, then turn it. So when I get to my turning point, I just click on it once. That left click on it once. So I just left click once, turn it. Left click once, turn it. You see, I've gotten what? My nice sinusoidal curve. Okay. So this is how we insert what shapes in Microsoft Word. So we have other shapes over there. So I entreat you all to try as much as possible to play around these shapes, and all shall be well. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you.